Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Jasper.
Jasper? Sick name. So are you in Alpha Chi Lambda Fraternity?
What's that mean?
You know, like a fraternity?
Not really.
Oh, okay.
I guess I'm not because my lats is very small.
Oh, shit.
It's extremely small.
Yeah, bro, you gotta get on my level.
I wish if I would be there, I would probably have much bigger lats.
Alright, well, I came over here because I noticed that he was doing these interesting pull-up variations. So, a few moments ago, he was putting the weights on his feet. He was latching onto the weights with his feet, so I guess he's doing the lower weight reps now. Squeeze with the lats.
Lats, traps, and everything you have.
Okay. So
whatever you can squeeze, just squeeze it as much as possible.
So do you feel that you get a better lat range of motion when you don't go all the way over the bar with your chin?
I think you can just try. I can just hold this one.
Okay. So like here?
Yep.
Okay. And then square, stop here?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
Stop on top. Go on top and stop it there.
Stop.
Freeze it.
Stop.
Here you go. And go down. And go back immediately. And stop it there. No, don't go.
Do you mean to tell me that you cannot do one single pull-up?
Don't go down right away. Stop it on top.
Oh, hold it.
Yep, pause it. Here you go. Down. One more.
Yeah.
And stop it there. Nice.
I see how that, when you stop, like halfway, which I never do pull-ups that way, but when you stop and really focus on the lat squeeze, I can see how that can really rip your lats really good.
Yeah, it's much better. You can feel it. You can feel the pump.
Alright, thank you, Jasper.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Take care. Get some pump.
There's the man himself there.
J6 square lane, turn to 117 departure, officer to the southeast on runway 35, clear to 9. 684, thanks, and 140 Elliott, scout just fine, contact departure today. I'm 1 in now, yeah. There's 684, you didn't put on switch. And before you go, 331, I'm going to Alligator 363430, contact departure.
These lyrics might see, but I just need to find my.
Been thinking right.
I want to go home and find myself a sunny, sunshining place where I can just don't get on.
Joe, look at the size of that thing.
We just need to keep walking, honestly. Sam, I'm not kidding.
Alright, but we'll keep walking. I just want to get it on video if it kills us. I want there to at least be documentation of us dying. As long... Yeah, you're pretty much right about that. It's right on the other side of those bushes. It could just charge through those bushes. Like for us, we couldn't run through those bushes. We'd like get stuck. But the buffalo, it's like they don't even exist.
Is on this dime on my wrist. I got lyrics and nothing because I am just making it up as I go. Woo-hoo.
This is Avalon Con, Avalon Big Con right here.
Avalon with Sam, Katie.
This is year one. at Avalon
Mine's
Big
working,
Con.
shows everything, 4K everything.
We all access pounds.
So sometimes.
No,
he was going to tell you, but you didn't let him.
You gotta get in the video.
Sam, Katie,
Oh, it's okay.
I'm gonna go, but you tell me what that band is for.
Alright, so we're doing Avalon Big Con here.
I like your height.
I'm the host. And
Sam,
and so yeah, we're doing some cool shit today.
the host is sick.
We're actually doing it right now. Alright, so we got Avalon native here.
Yeah, that's what you need.
My name is Shelly.
Shelby.
Your camera.
And Kat from... We'll bleep it out. We'll bleep out your location. And
51
and another
Creek Drive.
Arnold, another Avalon native. And he used to bodybuild back in the day.
I did.
And he's just on a little break right now.
He's on a 34-year break. He'll be back soon.
Alright, and then Mr. Mcintosh.
Oh, Mike is so shy.
The mayor of Avalon.
The mayor of Avalon Grill.
As well as expert parasailer champion.
Oh, I am. I go upside down. I'm the only one ever to release. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm sorry. I meant no disrespect by grabbing your titty.
Did you just do that?
Yes, I did. I just got the titty.
Well, it's probably more than smack.
It's primal. I grabbed that titty primal.
You sensed it.
I felt it. We gotta let it go.
We'll let it go. We'll let it go. Scout, the Avalon guitar wizard. He's been cooking up good vibes since, how long have you been out here for?
2 years?
2 years? But since this morning?
10:30.
10:30, okay. So he's been out here for an hour, just brewing up good times for the neighborhood. What a guy. He doesn't do it for the money. He doesn't do it for the fame. He does it because blues is his roommate. Where do you see yourself in 10 years with your music?
I don't know, man. Just focus on the present.
Focus on the present? Alright, so once you make your first, once you sell your first platinum record, what are you going to do with all that money, Mr. Scout? This is Scout here, Avalon, not native. He's actually been all over the country. But this is where he lives now, out of necessity. He has to, drift wherever his family takes him.
I don't know. Probably buy a shitty car and go road trip.
Folks, so that there is a rainbow cloud right there, and I'm not kidding you. You can see. I hope you can see it on camera, but that's what it is right there. And that is a rare occurrence, my friends.
You have your alcohol